to Gordon Guitar and Alec Benjamin's song called Speakers. One of the more popular lately since he released a couple songs here. This one is popular, and Speakers, yeah, let's start out and speak out. Capo on the first fret. We have 5 chords to cover, so let's go over the chords first. The first one will be F, so a bar here on the first fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And this bar will cover all strings. So that's F. Then we have the A sharp, still a bar here on the first fret, this time only from A string and down. And the rest will be 3rd on D string, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. And we have D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G minor. So a bar on the 3rd fret now, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. All right, so we'll start with this first playing here. Pretty much all chords here will go in the same order here through the entire song, except from one part later where we'll add in this G minor part and the bridge part. But yeah, it goes F to A sharp to D minor and to C. That's pretty much the whole song there. So this first part starts like this. It's of course based upon these 4 chords: F, A sharp, D minor, and C. So the first F here, you're gonna play the 1st fret E string in the bass together with the 2nd fret G string. Then the next grip here will be like this: 1st fret on A together with open D. That's the A sharp part. Then we have the D minor part. That's the grip here. So that is 5th on A together with 3rd on D. And the final C will be like this. And that is 3rd on A together with 2nd D. And then you add the 3rd fret D string. So this round goes like this. So you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, okay? So 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. Then comes a refrain, and you're gonna continue with the same chords. Now you're gonna play them with just downs, and you're gonna play 4 downs per chord. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds of this chord progression. So 4 downs, 2 rounds of that, and it will sound like this. Minor 4 times and C 4 times, and you do that again. So F4, A sharp, D minor 4, and C4. All right, that is the refrain, and then comes the first chorus. You will continue, of course, the same chord progression there, and you will do this 4 downs. So you're gonna play that in the same way as you did for refrain. So another round of the chords progression here. 4 downs per chord. Yeah. That takes us to the second verse, and that one is played in the same way as the first one. So nothing changes there. Then comes the second refrain, and there we need to learn a strumming pattern, okay? So we have still the same chord progression. So it starts with F. So let's grab this F chord and look at the strumming. One round of this will sound like this. So that is down, 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 up, down, down, up. Again, down, 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 up, down, down, up. So with the chord progression, you're gonna play one strumming round per chord. So slowly it will be like this. And you play that for 2 rounds, and that takes us to the second chorus. You're going to continue and do another round of that as well with the strumming. So 1 chord progression round with strumming. After the second chorus comes a bridge part, and here is where we need to start using the G minor. Here you will play the chord progression G minor to A sharp to F and to C. That is a new chord progression, and you will play that for 2 rounds. You will play 2 downs per chord, and you will do it like in a transition type of style here. So what I mean by that, it's like this: G minor, G, A sharp, F, F, C. Another round: C, G minor, G minor, A sharp, F, F, C. Okay, so that will be basically 2 downs, but they're like connected always to the next chord coming up. Okay, so G, and there's a long break, then G, A sharp. So it's connected to the next chord. So 2 rounds of that. So G minor, A sharp, F, and C. And that takes us to the final parts of the song, the third refrain here. It will be, first round of this will be just 1 down per chord. So F, A sharp, D minor, and C. And on the second and final round of this refrain, you're gonna switch over to the 4 downs per chord. So and then you have a final round and the final chorus, and that will end again with just 1 down per chord, A sharp, D minor, C, and it ends on beautiful F. So that pretty much covers Alec Benjamin's Speaker. So I hope this was helpful, guys. A popular song and worth learning there. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoy this and play tuned.